Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Windows security. Whenever you launch it, you got the error page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app and the item you tried is not available. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. You just need to right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. You just need to check my video description for this PowerShell command. You just need to copy it and paste with Ctrl V and press enter. And after finishing this command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, try to launch the Windows security and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it, select yes. And now you just need to copy this registry file path. You just need to paste in here and press enter. On right side you just need to create two values guys. You just need to right click on it and select new, select devote 32-bit value. Name this value as disable 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 anti spyware spyware. Press enter. Double click on it and change the value data to 0 and select OK. After doing this, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select devote 32-bit value. Now you just need to type disable real time monitoring monitoring disable real time monitoring. Press enter. Double click on it and set the value data to 0 and click on OK. On left side you just need to select the policy manager over here. On right side you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select devote 32-bit value. Now name this value as allow allow space user user ui. Press enter. Double click on the value and value data set to 1 and select OK. After doing this, close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open the Windows security and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.